you both combined. I don't know why you look so nice.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl, Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another makeup tutorial. Okay, I think I snapped on this, and when I say I snapped, I did my one with this, okay? And also, this is going to be featuring the NYX Professional Blur Foundation. Y'all, when I tell y'all I am in love and obsessed with these foundations, like if y'all want a full review on these, let me know, because I didn't do a full review. I like to actually just do my makeup and test it out as I go and show y'all. So when I tell y'all, when I came across this, I seen this on TikTok. I'm gonna leave the girl name in the description right below. When she used this, I said like, oh my god, her skin looks flawless. It looked flawless without. It looked flawless without the foundation. But when she put this on, baby, I was like, let me go get this. Okay, so I want y'all to see this beat. And I also tried the new NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. Y'all, these combinations together, oh my god, it aids. Like, my face looks so good. And I feel like it hasn't looked really good in a long time, okay? Y'all probably might think so. I think I'm coming down with a cold too. But I'm about to go take some pictures because I can't let this outfit go to waste, okay? I'll probably go, it's 12 o'clock, so don't be closing till about like 2. So I'm going to take some pictures, probably have a little drink, and then come back because, baby, I just want my pictures. I don't want to keep rambling because I really want y'all to see how this beat turned out. So if y'all want to see how I achieved this look, and I know y'all do, so just keep on watching. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It's your girl B Marie, and you're here for another slate tutorial. This is my bare face and skin is glowing, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, but I'm going to show you everything that I use. Starting off with the clear brow gel from Benefit. I molded my brows, powdered them, and I wiped it off. And then now I'm going into my Bounty Food Pomade from P. Louise and Mochaccino and Ebony. I did my brows, cleaned them up, and now it's time for the eye base. I went ahead and took my base from my line. If y'all haven't went on my site, BeFierceBeauty.com, go ahead and do so now. I went ahead and applied my base in IC0, and I am going to blend this out, y'all. When I tell y'all, y'all gotta get this base, y'all need in y'all life. Like, it works with any shadow, and it blends like a dream. Plus, it turns like, it's not a semi-matte, but it's matte, but not too matte to the point where it's like, oh my god, I can't move it. So I'm going to go ahead and take my shadow from, this is not my shadow, this is Juvia's Place shadow featuring what's her name, Vanessa, and I want to go ahead with that pretty brown shade, y'all. I love this color. I went ahead and did a half C shape. Then I went in with my Morphe 39A palette. I love this palette and I love that color because y'all can see that I hit pan, of course. I went ahead with this brush. This is a, let me tell y'all the brush. This is a Morphe 453 brush, and I went ahead and packed that shadow on. The first brush that I used, y'all, was a Bedelium Tools brush, and it was a, let me get the name, a 777 brush. So I go ahead and I go and blend both of those colors, and I want to go ahead and take the first color and blend again. So I always go ahead and lay the colors down and then go back and blend them to intensify the look. I always say this, like, y'all should know my technique by now. Like, if y'all don't, y'all are slacking. So go ahead and blend those colors back and forth until you get the desired blend that you want. I also want to state that I did use the Bedelium Tools 776 brush too, along with the other brush that I use from Bedelium Tools. But I like both of those brushes. However, what I'm doing now is what I just said. I'm going ahead and blending that brown shade back into the second shade, and then blending that second shade back into the first shade. So we got our desired transition. Now I'm going to add black. The color that I took, the black that I took, was in the 39A palette, and then I went ahead and took this brush right here. This is a Max Lux brush in 208, a Max Lux brush, Max Lux Studio. So go ahead and search them up on Instagram because she has a lot of brushes. She sent me these like some years ago, but I still use them. And I'm just gonna put that black right in the outer corner, dragging it a little bit into the inner part of the crease. So go ahead and blend that. And what you're gonna do is, if you go a little higher with this black, go ahead and take that first shade that you blended it into the second shade that you use to actually blend out the edges of that black. Do y'all get what I'm saying? Are y'all following me here? So go ahead and blend that out just like I'm doing now, exactly what I just explained. And then boom, y'all, everything is blended. Oh, so now I'm gonna take my MAC 252S brush from MAC, and I'm going to place some base right on the lid, just where I want to add this color that I'm going to add. I'm going to tap it out, and this is basically just to open up the lid. If y'all want the no cut crease look, this is what y'all gonna have to do. Sometimes you can just apply it just as is, but just blend out the base a little bit more. You don't even have to add any extra, but I just like to add extra base to open up that lid just a little bit more. I'm gonna take this green out of the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm going to just tap that green right on the lid, y'all. This look, oh my god, I just knew it was gonna be bomb, because once I put my foundation and stuff on, it was just gonna eat. Okay, it was just gonna eat. It's already eating right now. So I went ahead and took that first colored brush, and I went ahead and blended the front of the edges of the green out. So I went ahead in my palette and I took this nude and I put it right in the inner corner. Like, it just brought the look together. It tied everything together. If y'all haven't shopped, like I said, go ahead and shop now. BeFierceBeauty.com. I want to take these Drugstore, well, beauty supply lashes. I don't know if beauty supply and Drugstore is the same, but you're gonna take your beauty supply lashes. I'm gonna pop these on. And y'all, I didn't add no wing because I just wanted the eyes to be just as is. And I'm going to put these lashes on. It just had to look together. I love this, y'all. So what I really wanted to get into is these foundations. And yes, this look is so pretty, just like I stated. I'm going to go ahead and take my Makeup Forever this Shine Control Step 1 primer, y'all. I went ahead with that, and then I also went ahead with the Milk Eclipse primer, and I put it right in my pore area. I put the Shine Control in the areas that I normally get oily. Okay, I always love something like a primer that's gonna not get me oily. Now let's get into these foundations, y'all. These are the NYX let's see, these are the NYX Bear With Me Blur foundations, y'all, and I took the shades Deep Bronze number 20 and then 21 Rich. When I tell y'all, it made my face, oh my god, flawless. Y'all, do y'all see how this is gliding on? Like, I swear I'm gonna go get me a second bottle of these because they are so little. I don't feel like they're gonna last me long, because I like a lot of foundation on my face. I'm trying to not put as much, but I like a lot of foundation. And then I also went ahead and I used this concealer. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX, and then I also went ahead with Deep from Tarte Shape Concealer. I'm trying to find the concealer so that I can give y'all the name of it. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And then I went ahead and sprayed my face, y'all. I love this concealer as well. I'm going to be getting some more colors, but I really do love all of these combinations from the NYX Blur foundation and also from the concealer. Like, everything blended so well and it looked so flawless on my face. So all of these are Drugstore products except for the Tarte Shape and Deep, but the Can't Stop Won't Stop and Warm Honey and the NYX are Drugstore products, y'all. I got a cold. I'm actually really sore right now, so yeah. This is a Drugstore product as well, or low, let me say low end, because this is the ColourPop foundation stick in the shade 210C. Y'all already know I use this all the time, but if y'all don't have these combos, go run right now, because NYX concealer and foundation, and then you got ColourPop contours, well, foundation stick, y'all, go run. That's a whole face right there, a whole face. That brush right there was a 956 Sonic Precision Kabuki brush. And then now I'm going to go ahead and take some Juvia's Place. This is Drugstore too. Well, not Drugstore, but this is low end. And I'm going to take this blush and I'm going to, this is their new liquid blush. Okay, y'all know I did a video on this. I didn't upload the tutorial because I didn't really like how my skin was looking. But I did do one on Instagram, okay, and I went ahead and blended that blush out with my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and go ahead and do my nose job. Okay, that's what we call it. It's a nose job, baby. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour the sides and also blend them out one at a time. I did like my nose contour today because it wasn't so prominent to where you could see, you know, it was blended out. I went ahead also and took my Beauty Bakery, y'all. These are low-end products. Well, I wouldn't say drugstore because, I mean, I don't know. Drugstore is like your L'Oreal, your NYX. But I don't know. I really can't say that. So I went ahead and took the Beauty Bakery, I think this is Amsterdam 3-in-1 concealer. And I went ahead and took this damp beauty blender. And I blended everything out. And then now it is time for a powder. I don't know, for some reason I just like my beauty blender when it comes to blending everything out once everything is blended with that brush that I use from the Real Techniques. I use now the under eye. I love my under eye bright. I use a combination of Sacha Buttercup setting powder and the Buttercup version, not the light one, and then I also use Laura Mercier Air translucent powder. Oh my god, y'all, a dream. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited because it lays so flawless. Like, try that combination just for the under eye, and then go ahead and take the Sacha Buttercup in all the other areas. But for the under eye, y'all, bomb. I'm also using now with my Morphe contour brush. Well, let me give y'all the correct name if it's not going. This is the E4 brush from Morphe, and I went ahead and took Fenty Beauty bronzer and Mocha Mami, and I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation powder, the pressed powder in the shade 430 to contour my nose. I'm trying to not use a darker powder all the time, but I did go ahead and take a lighter powder for the nose. I'm also blushing with Juvia's Place blush. They have, I think, all of that blushes are supposed to complement the liquid blushes. So I went ahead and took that blush. I don't know what blush that is. Blush Duo is volume 6, y'all, and I went ahead and blushed up. Also went ahead and took my P. Louise blank canvas base and put that in the waterline, and I tell y'all, it gave it a pop. I was gonna do black, but I'm like, no, it's gonna be too dark. I don't want that. I want to open up my eyes because the eyes are dark. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the two colors that I used in my transition and smoke out the bottom lash line. Yes, girl, I was feeling it. Okay, and y'all need little brushes for this. Let me tell y'all the brushes. Y'all need a flat brush. I don't know the name of this, it doesn't say on here. And then for the blending brush, you want a Max Lux 319 brush, or like a small brush, tinier than the Morphe 506 brush, the one that I always use. And let me see if I'm correct with that. Yes, the Morphe 506 brush. So now I'm just wiping everything off, y'all. I did do my lips off camera. I am not going to show that. There will be a video up of me doing my lips, but I went ahead and dust everything off. I went ahead and saved with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I'm actually liking this. This is a newer purchase of mine, and y'all, I did go ahead and spray with the Morphe setting spray. Set the under eyes, I want to go ahead with MAC Studio Finish Powder and NC 44.5. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all like this beat, and then like the eyeshadow goes so well with my outfit. Like, I tried that. I did that on purpose. Some people like, I saw this one status one time. It was like, oh, why everybody be trying to match their outfit with their clothes? Listen, baby, this went well with it, and I love it. Okay, so, baby, I'm gonna do that. And y'all, this lip is so pretty too. I'm just obsessed with this look. But y'all, let me know down in the description bar below. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all like looks like this, if y'all more into soft or dramatic looks. I keep doing soft beats because I feel like that is what people are into nowadays. I be trying my best to do like the dramatic looks, but I feel like okay, them take so long. Like, I really need to just keep doing like these soft beats, like, and just do different kind. But y'all, I'm gonna sit down and have some wine and talk to y'all about that. Like, write down some stuff. Actually, comment down below some questions that y'all want to ask me, like, when I sit down and do this talk, because I could come back with a Q&A. What y'all think about a Q&A video? But yeah, y'all, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. And also, a hair tutorial will be up. If it isn't up before this, a hair tutorial will be up. So don't forget to go check that out, because I know y'all probably like, oh my god, the hair. It will be up. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next makeup tutorial. Bye.